Ever wonder how people make so much dollars online using just their smartphone and a laptop? There is a secret to it, and the secret is nothing but digital marketing. And in the next 5 minutes, I will share with you exactly how this works and how you can tap into it as well. Welcome to Digital World by Coach Channel, your go-to channel for mastering online business, building passive income stream, and creating long-term financial freedom through digital strategies. Whether you are a beginner looking to make your first dollar on the internet space, or you are a busy professional ready to scale up your side hustle, then this channel is perfect for you. On this channel, I create weekly video on passive income stream, Amazon FBA and e-commerce tips, digital product creation, affiliate marketing strategies, online business tools and automation, money mindset, and entrepreneurial motivation. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to join thousands of future focused entrepreneurs building real wealth through digital strategies. Digital marketing is how business and individual present and promote themselves online using internet like websites, social media, email, and so on. For instance, if you have ever bought anything from either YouTube, Instagram, or on Facebook, or you have ever clicked on any link before, then you are already part of digital marketing strategy. The number one is search engine optimization. If you have ever Googled something and you click on the first link that pops up, then that is the simple exact form of SEO, known as search engine optimization. The number two is email marketing. This email marketing is very profitable and it can print you a good amount of money if you have enough email list. Third one is paid ad, aka PPC. Any ad that you see on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, businesses used to pay huge amounts of money for them to push those ads to more audience across the globe. The fourth one is social media marketing. If you have ever been posting on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or even on YouTube, then you are very close to start making dollars for yourself from the content you post. While you may be posting it for fun, there are thousands of brands and individuals who are using it to make so much dollars for themselves. So what are you waiting for? You can tap into it too. Fifth one is content marketing. You can start sharing video, podcasts, or creating blog that teach or entertain and start building trust among people. Once people start trusting you, you can sell anything to them. This is another simple way to start generating dollars for yourself right from the comfort of your bed. Very simple. The sixth one is affiliate marketing. This particular one is my own favorite. What you're expected to do with this is quite simple, no stress at all. Just become an affiliate marketer. Pick any product of your choice, promote them on social media. The more people see it, the more they buy, the more you keep any commission. This particular method is where many digital millionaires started with. Starting any of this business is quite simple than ever before. Just pick any platform like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or even a YouTube and start creating values. But my sincere advice for you is to start by learning a digital skill, which might take you at least 7 to 14 days. And after that, you can start creating content around your passion. From the beginning, you don't need to be an expert. Just start and keep growing. Digital marketing is how the world makes so much money online. And now you have known the basic. If this helped, smash the like button and drop a comment. And if you want a full beginner's guide, then subscribe to this channel because I have so much digital income strategies coming your way.